Hey guys, today let's learn how to use DALL-E 3 in Chatgpt to create images. So if you want to go ahead and access DALL-E 3 over on Chatgpt, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that and also create images as well. So in order for us to basically do this, all we need to do is to go on over on our web browsers and then access Chatgpt. Go ahead and access their website right here, and then I want you to go ahead and access your account. So just go ahead and log on to your preferred accounts, whichever one you prefer. And once you're already logged in successfully, what we need to go ahead and do next is to basically switch to GPT-4. Now, of course, switching to GPT-4 does require you to upgrade to a Plus subscription. So my advice is to also do that as well beforehand and proceed with paying their fees. Now, basically, you do need to pay for their fees to avail and use DALL-E 3. So once you have already availed their fees and also their subscription plan for GPT Plus, what we can do next is to just enter our prompt of create an image of whatever we'd like. So basically, you could ask ChatGPT now to create images for you, but just make sure that you have already availed their subscription and have GPT-4 currently running on your ChatGPT. And essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.